As the provincial election approaches, BC's educators are now putting forward what they'd like to see in the next government.
Our priority is to make sure that somebody who's in power is going to make positive steps forward for public education and for the children in it.
The BC Teachers Federation says a shortage of teachers and lack of student mental health support are issues that need to be urgently addressed. In the NDP's platform announcement Thursday, David Eby committed to making sure every school has a mental health counselor and expanding full-time hours for education assistants.
One of the things they told us was, we love doing EA work. We would love to do more work, and we know other people who would love to do this work, but the problem is we only get part-time hours. By offering before and after school opportunities for parents, the EAs have the opportunity to work full-time.
The idea that there's going to be a counselor in every school for children to have access to is really amazing. You know, the public education system is great. It's super supportive of students, but it has some gaps. And for a child who gets the courage up to go say, I need some help to an adult, we want that adult to be there. They shouldn't have to wait 7 days, 10 days, whatever it is, or have that person pulled out to teach a math class.
While the Conservative Party of BC have yet to release their platform, the BCTF has expressed concerns about some of the comments that leader John Rustad has made in the past about his plans for SOGI, or the Sexual Orientation and Gender Identities Resources.
Parents are concerned about the sexualization of their children in this NDP government's education system. Will the minister admit that SOGI 1 to 3 has been divisive, an assault on parents' rights, and a distraction on student education?
Hearing about the idea of like taking SOGI resources out of schools and classrooms, that would be incredibly damaging. For a long time, unfortunately, the school system wasn't always a safe and supportive place for every student, and we've really worked hard to fix that. We have resources in there that make them feel seen, heard, they can be who they are, and so to take those away would put students at real literal risk of harm.
Other asks from teachers include improving working conditions and expanding classroom spaces. In Vancouver, Cecilia Hua, City News.